What is the time taken by a 450 meters long train running 54 km per hour to cross a standing platform? Here distance is given, speed is given, find the time. Formula is distance equal to speed into time. It is 450, speed is 54. Here it is a meters and it is kilometer per hour. That means 5 by 18 into t. 18 3s are 15 3s are. Here t equal to 30 seconds. Third option. Remember one thing in this question. You have to remember one thing. 1 kilometer per hour equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. You learn this. And the next, a certain sum on compound interest becomes 56,180 rupees compounded annually for 2 years and 59,550 80 paisa after 3 years. Find the sum. That means principal. For reading every question, you have to observe what will be the finding. Here 59,550.8 paisa is 3 years. 56,180 it is 2 years. Difference is 1 year. And here 0 8 0 7, here the difference is 3, again the difference is 3, it is 1 year. So 1 year interest equal to, in compound interest, interest is added to the second year. In second year that principal is 56,180. We don't need the rate of interest. It is 1 year interest, so time will be 1, so 100. Carefully observe the calculation. It is 80 paisa. That means point can be cancelled. 100 100 0 0. It is nearly 5,500. Let us assume it is 33. 5 can be 30 how many times? 6 times. So here I can guess the calculation. 5618 into 6, 4 10 7 3, exactly cancelled. Here rate of interest is 6%. We have to find the principal. That means P into 1 plus R by 100 whole square. Remember, these type of questions you can learn the shortcut. If it is not strike in the exam, you will lose the mark. So carefully observe the process and do calculations, so speed you can crack any exam. It is not a basic method, it is also a advanced method, but in this method you have to focus on calculations and process. Here we find the principal. Here rate of interest is 100, rate of interest is 6. Here 2 years 56,180. Observe the calculation. It is 106 by 100, 106 by 100 whole square, this value. So P equal to directly 100 to 100 by 106 into 106. Here in options there is also a zeros, so never cancel 100. So it is in 2 table 53, it is 2809 0. Again it is a 2 table, it is 14045. 3 3s are 9. 9 will be 5 times. So here it is a 2 options. Eliminate this option, eliminate this option. answer will be starting with 5. It is 55, it is 50. This is a 11 digit, this is not a 11 digit number. You have to observe one thing, 1, 6, 8, it is not a 11 digit number, so definitely the first option. Remember, you can learn the divisibility ruler, it can be helpful for solving this type of question. And next question, a sum increased by 75% in 10 years at a certain rate of simple interest per annum. By what percent will be the same sum in 6 years at the same rate of simple interest per annum? Here asking the sum increased percentage. It is very important. First of all, what will be the finding is more important for solving the question. Here, let us assume principal is P, sum is increased, principal is increased for 10 years, it is nothing but 75%, increases, it is increases 175 by 100 P, it is nothing but, you don't want to write 175 P by 100 in exam, you directly write this one. Understand the concept. 0 zeros, 1.75 P minus P, 0.75 P, it is nothing but PR by 10. That means PP cancel, R will be 0.75 into 10, it is 7.5. Rate of interest equal to 7.5%. Directly writing this step and this, it can be sufficient. These type of questions, I can explain the concept whole thing, but you have to practice and more you learn the shortcut. Now he asking by what percentage will be the same sum increased in 6 years. Here again the principal P, and it will also again the increases P. Here rate of interest is 7.5, time is 6 years. Observe one thing, it is a 75, it is a 7.5, it is 100. I can eliminate point 0 here. 25 table 3 times 40, again 2 table 3 times 20, 9P by 20. Here you can directly write the 29P by 20. That is nothing but 1 time, 4 time and 5 time, 1.45 P. Here by what percent increases? Here the original is principal is P, and increase it is again it is 1.45 P. Increase remains, percentage increase remains P by P into 100. 1.45 P by minus P, 0.45, clear? 0.45 P by P into 100, it is nothing but PP cancel, 45%. First option. It is RRB Ntpc level 6 shift 1 in May 9th date. You can check whether it is correct question or not also. And next one is 1 plus tan theta plus 1 minus tan theta equal to 4. In this type of questions, we can use angles directly to this value or process. If angles can be, I am telling angles in examinations, 2-3 options are having coincidence. So I am telling the procedure. Observe one thing, this it is tan theta. Here asking cosecant theta, secant theta. Here asking the cosecant square theta, secant square theta. Secant square secant tan, the relationship is secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. And again sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Now 1 plus tan theta, 1 minus tan theta. LCM is 1 minus tan square theta. That is nothing but a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Clear? Here 1 plus tan, here it is nothing but 1 minus tan theta. Here 1 plus tan theta. Cancel. 2, 4. Nothing but 2. I am solving the whole process in single step. Here 1 minus tan square theta, 1 by 1 minus tan square theta equal to 2. Then 1 minus tan square theta equal to 1 by 2. Then tan square theta equal to 1 plus 1 by 2. It is nothing but 3 by 2. Here in this formula, this tan square theta going to that side, 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. That is nothing but here 1 plus tan square theta equal to wait a minute, it is a tan square theta. Okay, 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Here 1 plus tan square theta equal to 3 by 2. Correct. From this also we can write one thing. From this we can write 1 plus tan square theta equal to 3 by 2. That is nothing but secant square theta equal to 3 by 2. If secant square theta equal to 3 by 2, this value is come. Again we have to find the cosecant theta. Secant to cosecant. That is nothing but secant square theta equal to 3 by 2. Cos square theta equal to 2 by 3. Correct. Here cos square theta going to that side. 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta. That is nothing but 1 minus cos square theta equal to 1 minus 2 by 3. LCM is 3. 3 minus 2 by 3. That is nothing but 1 by 3. For sin square theta equal to 1 by 3. Cosecant square theta equal to 3. Here asking cosecant square theta plus secant square theta. 3 plus 3 by 2. Here LCM is 2. Clear? And it is 9. 9 by 2. This type of questions you can solve in single step. Carefully observe. 24 by 8. 3 into 6, 18. This whole value should be 18. It is 16. 40 plus 18, 58. 58, 16. 42. 42 4s are 168. Clear? 72 plus 20, 92. 92 plus 122 minus 76. Clear? Observe the process, it can be helpful. Here we can find out the HCF. HCF means I can tell you 245, 175, 385. First of all, going to the option, all are 5 multiple. Definitely we can solve the process. 245, 5 into 4 times, 9 times, that is nothing but 5 into 7 square. Now you can write this way, 5 into 7 into 7. Next one is 175, 5 into 3 times, 5 times, 5 into 7 into 5 times. Again it is 385, 5 into 7 times, 7 times, 5 into 7 into 11. Which is the common HCF, highest common factor? This is common. 5 into 7 is common. So it is 35. It is a doing process. Another process is also there. We can discuss in later. A person covers certain distance at a certain speed. If his speed is increases by 30%, then he takes 15 minutes less. Remember, less. The same distance. Find the time taken. original speed. Let's solve this problem. Here originally distance equal to speed into time. Clear? Now if his speed by 30%, speed is increases. 30 by 100 means 1.3, and time is 15 minutes less. 15 minutes means 1 hour 100%, 15 minutes means 25%. Clear? 25% means 1 by 4. Clear? Here it is also distance. I can compare these two. Here it is a original and it is a increased. Observe the calculation. It is ST. It is 1.3 ST. 1.3 ST minus ST 0.3 ST. In this 1.3s into minus 1 by 4, it is nothing but S into 1.3 by 4, that is, eliminate this point, it is 40, 13 by 40. Here also eliminate this one, it is 10. Cancel. Yes is cancelled. T equal to 13 by 3, can 3 into 4, 12. It is very important. Now find the time taken to cover the original distance. 12 by 13 means nothing but 1 hour. Remaining it is 1, that is nothing but 5 minutes. Here 1/7 of a two digit number. 2-digit number is 15 less than the half of the number. What is the sum of the digits of the 2-digit number? Here 1/7 2-digit number. 2-digit number means if it is a unit digit y and a 10th digit will be 10x. Let us assume it is a 2-digit number is 15 less than minus 15, half of that number, half into 10x plus y. Clear? Now it is 1/7, it is half. Difference is 1/7 minus 1 by 2. LCM is 14. 2 times 2, 7 times 5 by 14. 10x plus y equal to 15. It is 3 times. Clear? 10x plus y equal to 42. Here it is a sum of 2-digit number, so it can be right 4 into 10 plus 2. Here that is nothing but 10 into 4 plus 2. Here comparing the x value is 4 and the y value is 2, and the 2-digit sum of the digits of a 2-digit number means 4 plus 2 6. Clear? Next one. 56 divided by 4, 14, 4, 2 square 4, 6 by 3. I am writing this one like this, 2, it is 24, it is 10, 16, 10, 26 minus 4, 24, 2. Observe the whole calculation. You can learn as quickly as possible. You learn first of all BODMAS rule. If you are preparing for railway exam and SSC exam, you prepare for BODMAS rule. It can be helpful. A man can do work in 20 days and woman can do the work in 30 days. How many days? 2 men and 3 men. Here man can complete the whole work in 20 days. 1 day work will be, and woman can do the work in 30 days. 1 day work will be. Here 2 men and 3 women. After this, don't go to LCM. It is 110. It is 110. 110 plus 110. 2 by 10. Nothing but 1 by 5. It is 1 day. Whole work will be 5. It is 2-digit number. 2 digits in after point. It is 1 digit after point. Obviously, there is a digit. There is a 0. 17 6 times 60. It is advanced, but you learn the basic first. It is nothing but 17 by 100. It is nothing but 10 0 0 6. 10 into 6 60. You can learn this if options are nearby values, that is nothing but 60, 62, 64, 65. It can be helpful. If options are like this, you can directly cancel. Every mark is important. That's why I am telling the whole thing. The circumference of a circle is given. What is the area of the circle? Here circumference of a circle formula is 2 pi r. 2 into pi means 22 by 7. Here radius would not given, 3 not. So 49 into 49. 7 times. It is a must be 11 digit or 7 digit divisible. Check 1 by 1. 7 plus 11. 7 plus 4 11. 5 plus 6 11. It is completely divisible. It is 6 18. Difference is 12. No. 9 11. No. 11 16. No. It is first option. You can verify like this. If you are good at in calculations, you can simply calculate. Otherwise, after the exam also, you can calculate the whole thing. Here, Ram give a discount of 10% on the market price of an item, still gained 12.5%. How much would have Ram gained if he sold item at the market price? Here asking the Ram gained. In this type of question, we have to remember two formulas. Selling price equal to cost price into 1 plus gain percentage. And again selling price equal to market price into 1 minus discount percentage. Let us assume market price will be 100x. Discount of 10%. If it is 100, discount of 10%, selling price will be 90x, and after giving 10% discount. Here cost price is, this is selling price 90x divided by 1 plus gain percentage. Here the gain is still gained 12.5%, that is nothing but 12.5 by 100. Eliminate the point 0, it is nothing but 0.125. 1 plus 0.25 means 1.125. Clear? That is nothing but zeros. You can use a 25 table also. It is 40, 4 times, 5 times, 2 times, cost price is 80x. Here you can, what is the gain? Market price is 100 and it is 80. Difference is 20x by cost price is 80x into 100, 4 times 25%. Clear? The average of 30 numbers is 55 and the 30 numbers average is 55. 15 number is 51 and the 12th number is 56. 15 plus 12, 27. Remaining 3 numbers are there. Total is 30. It is 27. 3 numbers are not there. What is the average of the 68, 74 and the remaining these 3 numbers? So total we have to find the 5 number average. It is important. 5 number average. It is 2 numbers and we can find 3 numbers average. Clear? First 30 into 55. 5, 6, 0. 15 into 51. 5. Okay, it is 765. Next 12 into 56. Observe one thing, I can write not 12 into 56, I can write 56 into 12 if the calculation is easy, but it is a 15, 51 if it is also calculation is but you writing 12 into 56, it be little more complex compared to this. Okay, 112 56, 112 56, it is nothing but 672. Adding these two, 7, 3, 4, difference of these two, 3, 1, 2. Clear? It is 3 numbers average. He can give 2 number 68, 74. Adding these two, adding these 5 by 5, nothing but 11, 5, 13, 14, 5, 3, 71. You can know the correct procedure. You are good at calculations in mathematics, Badmas rule like that, you will be crack that exam easily. First of all, you know what is the process. Here also one important question is there, that is nothing but the ratio between the market price and cost price is 5:3. If the selling price is this one and 2 successive discount, what is the successive discount? Successive discount formula is A plus B minus AB by 100, that is 16 plus 20, 36, 16 into 20 by 100. Remember the calculation how I can do. 2, 16 2s are 32, 32 by 10 means 3.2, 36 minus 3.2, 8, 2, 3, 32.8. Clear? In the previous question I am telling one formula, selling price equal to market price into 1 minus discount percentage. This question also it can be useful. Here you can give the selling price 3024, market price 5 parts, nothing but 5Q, and 1 minus discount percentage 32.8. 32.8, it is percentage 100, eliminate this point 100, it is nothing but 0.328. clear? One minus 0.328, it is nothing but 0.672 into this 5Q. Here we can observe the calculations is this value is going to this side 3024, after 0.3 digits 1672. Just observe the calculation. Last two digits will be 4 multiple. You can cancel the 4. Clear? 16 times, 8 times, 7 times, 5 times, 6 times. Last two digits are also 4 multiple. Why I am stressing? It can be helpful for your further preparation. It is 42. It is nothing but 189. You can it is 42 189. You can calculate directly in 21 table also. 2 times, 9 times, 5 times. 9 5s are 45,000. It is nothing but 5Q. Then Q value must be 900. Clear? The market price is 5 parts is 45,000. The 1 part is 900. Then 3 parts will be 2700. 2700 is nothing but the cost price 3 parts. It is 3 parts value. Here you can ask the profit or loss. 2700 and 3024. Selling price, cost price. This value is 324. I think it is a lengthy, but you remember this formula. It can be easy. Here ABCD is a rectangle and it is a circle touches the 3 sides of a rectangle. It is ABCD and it is a center O, length 10, breadth 8. The given. It is a diameter. Diameter is equal to breadth. That means 4 and 4 equal parts. It is a radius. It is also a 4. And again OECK is a square. If a side is a square, then diagonal is root 2a. That means 4 root 2. It is also a 4 root 2 side. Here we can carefully observe it is a right angular triangle. How I can explain is 8 square 64, 4 root 2 whole square. That is nothing but 32 plus 32. 64 equal to 64. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square in right angular triangle. So area equal to half into base into height. That is half into 4 into 8. It is nothing but 16. Second option. Observe carefully and practice these questions because it is CBT1 and CBT2 questions in previous paper. So please subscribe and share channel. Thank you. Practice everything. it can be hopeful to clear that exam. Thank you.